So this is what I mean. The whole room is black, and you can make your screen black so it doesn't keep you up. Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your screen black but still have the music going. So in case you want to make your room dark when you're going to go to sleep, you can still have music playing on at night, and you can actually just have the whole thing dark except for the keyboard right here. But without further ado, let's go ahead and show you. All right, so this is a pretty cool little thing. Some people know, some people don't. In the old versions of iOS, you weren't able to do this. But, so one way is we're gonna go to System Settings. And once we go to System Settings, we're gonna want to go down to Displays. And once we get to Display, you'll see right here that there's a little brightness thing right here. And then so we're gonna be able to brighten or dim. And that's basically it. But there's actually a shortcut, and I'm just showing you guys because some people don't even know, but with the brighten buttons, you can actually do that as well. So yeah, pretty simple. So now you can go to sleep and put the music on. All right guys, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment. And in case you don't get why you would want to do this, it's so you can keep your room dark and go to sleep.